Watching ko na mana mo. Ano pa? Yung ututin na mana mo kay daddy. Ha? Ano pa yung namana mo? Ha? Diba pag natutulog ka, ano ka, bukas yung lips mo, bukas yung mouth mo, no? Paano ka matulog? Paano ka matulog? Tell mommy nga. Tell mommy, how do you sleep? Do you sleep? Did you sleep well today? Did you sleep well today? What did you dream of? What did you dream? What's your dream? Tell mommy what's your dream? Tell mommy what's your dream? Did you dream of your angel? What did you dream about, anak? Tell mommy. Kwento ka. Anak. Dali. Kwento ka kay mommy. Kwento ka kay mommy. Ano paginipan mo? Ano? Kwento ka dali. Ano paginipan mo? Si Papa Jesus? Si Papa Jesus? Hala. Huwag ka na mapakali. Baby, dali, kwentuhan tayo. Uy, parang kagabi. Dali. Kwentuhan tayo. Dali, baby. Ano sinabi mo kay Papa Jesus? Ano sinabi mo kay Papa Jesus? Sabi mo, I love you? Oo, ano pa? Ano pa sinabi mo? Ano pa kwento mo? What did you tell Papa Jesus? I love you? Did you tell him that you want to grow up healthy? Did you tell him that you love him so much? Did you tell him that you want to grow up matalino? What did you tell Papa Jesus? What did you tell What did you tell Papa Jesus? Did you pray? Dali. Did you pray? Did you pray? What did you pray? Ayaw na. Tama na, stop na. Stop na? Stop na? Ayaw mo na. Tama na kwentuhan. Tama na ba kwentuhan natin? Anong gusto mong gawin? Anong gusto mong gawin? Ayaw na? Okay, stop ko na. Stop ko na. Sige, stop na ni Mami. Stop na ni Mami. Ayaw mo na? Ayaw mo na binibidyohan ka? Hulo. Galig ko. Ano gusto mo? Sige, stop na.